hating on you with their friends, girl, you got it.
Ain't too pretty in the face, but she's super thin. I'm just staying on my line, on my mind. VIP going to bed. Bands make a dance with a bag full of fans. Got my bands in that band, making bad on the tail. Bands cost a grand with that ass in my hands. Off a bag full of cash. Your model, I'm a killer, spin them nice.
Friends, welcome to my new vlog. This vlog was a continuation of the vlog that I just ended when I worked out at 4:30 and it was hard for me to get up. That vlog. Anyways, it's it's 6 something now, and I've already got dressed for work. At this point for work, I need a uniform because I ain't trying to put on nothing different. It's the same thing every week, and I don't care, unapologetically. I'm about to go to work so that I can get some peace of mind, not from my house, but from from a particular coworker. So, I try to go to work a little bit early just so I can get some peace before the storm. We still got a little bit of rain this week. It's gonna be rainy. I hate that for us, but I mean, who can I complain to? Raining right now. You probably can't hear me. I forgot I had this thing on full blast. Call you back.
Keep the bitch jump, keep it on jump, keep the bitch jump, I got it cool, 14, the bitch get loose, she tryna win, I beat her by the house, I beat her in, it's 40 in the couch, I let it spin, when the car's lit, get a call in, she done popped all out, she done call twin, I didn't want the spaz that I put the raw in, I didn't hit the strip club instead the talk 10, the shawty out of Clico, she be coming hot just like a heat stroke, I can see you lurking through the peephole, I'm stacking different money type of seat notes, I'm talking seat notes, nigga hit seat notes, spend what you want.
So many things I've got to tell you, but I'm afraid I don't.
Grand Rising friends, if you can't tell, it's Friday. I have not picked you guys back up since yesterday at workout. I just been feeling like it, to be honest. And two, my throat was hurting yesterday. And you know, when you in that vibe, you don't want to really talk that much. Like, you probably can't hear it now. I should have brought me some Clorox wipes out here, but I'll grab some from somewhere because I need some. Grand Rising. I chose August to be the no social media month, and I swear to God, everybody in my family birthdays in August. Today is either my nephew's birthday or my daddy's birthday. My daddy's birthday. I don't know whose birthday it was. It was my sister's birthday the other day, the 7th. The 8th was my cousin's birthday. He's passed away. The 10th and the 11th is my daddy or my nephew's birthday. The 16th is my daughter's birthday. The 1st was my mother-in-law's birthday. The 18th is my father-in-law's birthday. The 26th is my cousin's birthday. My favorite cousin, male cousin. Oh my, OMG. BRB as I find out whose birthday it is today, because I cannot remember. After very extensive research, I learned that it's my dad's birthday. No help to my sister, by the way. So if she watches this, I text you and I asked you whose birthday it was. You did not answer. So I had to call the person whose birthday it was and ask, is it your birthday? Although my stomach is cramping, if you hear something, it's my dishwasher. I am going running. I'm gonna get these miles in It is not going to beat me. I'm gonna be it.
Like a pro, man. She backed it up on me. I'm like, oh, man.
Praise the Lord for this here garage, because I did not feel like going outside today. The sun is blazing, and I don't mind that usually. I don't. I love when the sun is blazing, but my stomach is cramping, and so I'm not really feeling it, but I'm making it happen regardless, period. Let's go ahead and run. I downloaded somebody else's run playlist on Tidal. That thing be hitting, because I like to run to the beat of the song and it be hitting. I also found last night that they have an app that helps you run, because it helps you also run to the cadence and the beat of the song. I do that anyway, though, to be honest. That's why I said I'm not trying to be in a marathon, like running fast for no reason, because there's no need for that. It's like eating food that's too hot. That's no enjoyment. So if you run, like you get the point. I'm not. But anyway, yeah. So and that thing hit the playlist that I downloaded, somebody else's stuff. So if you have Tidal, you can go to other people's playlists and actually download them yourself. What? I think we're only 20 minutes in the workout. 20 minutes. Sweat dripping so much. It's dripping in my eyes, so I had to stop. I got sweat dripping, friends. I should show you the floor, but it's disgusting. Ew. We made it almost to 2 miles, 1.70. So, but we didn't quite make it to 2 miles. I have to keep it 100. I'm not here to fake the funk, but I still did it, even though, we already, when I said my stomach is cramping, Literally sitting outside for hours, watching my own vlogs because they're so good. And I guess we can close the garage because it's pouring now. I stayed out here for a long time. Like I said, watching my own vlogs because they are good, period. No apologies. To see what I can improve in, what I like or don't like, what I should take out. And by the way, do you guys like the new intro? And I have a new outro too. You haven't got that far yet, but I do have one. So drop me a comment, let me know what you think. It's supposed to be another storm coming through Florida. Don't ask me about it. I just heard them talking about it at work yesterday. But I don't know, sis. I keep you posted. Got my watermelon. As soon as I came in the house, took my shower, it stopped raining, but we're in now. So I'm gonna eat this. I don't know what else, probably take a nap. And I'll pick up again later. We're headed to IKEA and Academy. See, cause y'all be driving Lexus Jeeps and the Benz Jeeps and the Lincoln Jeeps, nothing cheaper, got the platinum visa. What's your name? Cause I'm impressed. Can you treat me good? I won't settle for less. You a hot boy, a rock boy, a fun toy, total clock boy. Where you live? Is it by yourself? Can I move it? Into this academy since COVID, literally. I'll give you more. I'm a fly girl, and I like those hot boys. Baby, you got what I want. See, cause y'all be driving Lexus Jeeps and the Benz Jeeps and the Lincoln Jeeps, nothing cheaper, got the platinum visas. Hot boys, baby, you got what I want. See, cause y'all be driving
I came home, say around 2:45, still so high, hypnotized in a trance from his body, so buttery brown and tantalizing. You would have thought I needed help from this feeling that I felt. So shook, I had to catch my breath. There goes my shirt up over my head.
Date night, and we're gonna get wasted. It's like just joking. We don't drink.
Hi folks, how's it going?
All right, and you?
Good, doing well. Welcome in.
For my date night, I couldn't even eat all my food. Of course, classic. Good night. Made it in the house, guys. Got to show y'all the OOTD. This is partial. Well, I showed you a little bit. Yeah, I did. Okay, bye. Grand Rising, friends. I tie-dyed my shirt by accident. Ugh. I didn't tell you about our date night last night because it was so random. We were leaving IKEA. He was like, "You hungry?" I can eat. Because I had a salad earlier yesterday. But for some reason, I wanted Cheesecake Factory because that burger was on my brain. So we went to the Cheesecake Factory and I didn't even get the burger. I got some of them and I couldn't even eat it because I was already full from something else today. OMG. So remember when I said I used to make my own capsules? Hold on. I used to make my own vitamins. That's what I said. These are the capsules that you use. They're empty. And you can fill them with anything you want to fill them with. You just open it up like you would a capsule, a regular capsule that you're about to take, and you fill it up. And I have a little device that assists me in putting whatever powder that you prefer in here. So like I said, people dry out their pulp from their juicing and they make vitamins. This is what I mean. Let's go running. We have now completed 2 miles. My eyes. Alright friends, it is for sure about to rain. So it's about to go in the house. It's a time to go in the house and take a shower. I gotta go out and get some more stuff for the week for my lunch because I'm not gonna slip again. I didn't slip. I'm saying I'm not going to slip. You feel me? I got my lunch. Per usual, because we are not playing. Goals will be accomplished here. Okay, yeah. For this time, friends, we are not preparing it on camera. I've done that so many times before. If you're new, then you got to go find a vlog, the previous vlog that I just prepared the same lunch. Okay? All right, capiche? Comprende?
That's my blood, yeah, we bled, bro. See, these streets kinda get cold. That's why I feel afraid when you try get close. But if you had my love.
I'm back in the house with all of my lunch prep, and I'm about to prep seriously this time off of here because it took me a little bit longer than I wanted to. It's already 8:45 and I ain't got time. No, I ain't trying to ride. Okay, for real, let's get started.